welcome back to the game programming series about how to program a game in processing. This is just going to be a really quick episode about how to download the demo and extract all the graphics files out of the demo, just in case you need to access all that stuff. So anyways, what you want to do is go to my Patreon page, the patreon.com/thebirdseyegame, and you can see in the posts down here at the bottom, see all 4 posts. So there's this the latest post here, or it'll be one of the latest posts. I might make more posts, but it's the one that says new and improved demo level 1. There's a link right here. It's on itch.io. So once you're on here, you can just simply download it using one of these download buttons, and do no thanks. You don't have to give a donation if you don't want. You can if you want. I mean, that'd be awesome for me. But anyways, what we want to do is essentially just download the file. I have a file for Mac and Windows. Should be the same process for both. I'm doing this on a Mac computer right now, so I'm going to go ahead and download it. I'm going to save the file. Okay, let me go ahead and look in my downloads folder. Okay, so I downloaded the file, and basically what I want to do here is go ahead and extract it. Just expand the file, extract it, whatever, it'll extract to a folder. And anyways, what you're really looking for is it should include the source, but let me see here. I don't think that you can access the files through the source. Maybe you can. You can access it through this bird's eye, through this little thing here, the program file. What you want to do is show package contents. If you right click on it or control click or whatever on a Mac, show package contents. And if you look in the contents, then you'll see the all this information. I think you want to go to, you want to go into the Java folder, and then in there you got the data folder, and that contains all the files. So there's a bunch of like sound files in here. Woo. Oops. And all kinds of cool stuff. Let me see here. So I guess actually, I'm sorry. One of the problems in this that you'll encounter is that the player with the armor file is it doesn't have transparency in it. But you can just edit this with a program like GIMP or something. And I'll upload a new demo actually shortly. But for now, if you want to make the transparency in this armor file, then you can open it with GIMP, graphics image processor. Open with GIMP, and you can edit it. You should learn how to use GIMP or something like that. Actually, if you're going to be doing video games, so I'm going to convert. GIMP is an open source, free program that you can download for Mac and Windows. So anyways, you can use that to edit. It's pretty straightforward to edit. I'll show you actually how to do this, because it's, well, actually maybe not quite as straightforward as you might think. So what you want to do is I just I right clicked or like control clicked on the anywhere on the image, and then you go to layer and you go to transparency, and then you oops, let me see here. Oh, sorry, I guess you don't need to do this. So you might need to do this add alpha channel. This is how you add in transparency so that you can use the eraser tool to make it transparent when you erase. You want to set the size of your eraser down to like 1 pixel, and then you just go ahead and erase the parts of the file that you want to be transparent. So if it has this checkerboard stuff in the back here, that means there's transparency. So that's pretty much it. So you just go ahead and erase around the parts of the players until you have it transparent to the way you want. So you go ahead and do that for all the player images. It's good practice, I guess, in making sprites. So that's how you get everything to work there. All right, thanks a lot. Talk to you in the next video. Peace.